Imagine you're spending millions of naira to buy a land, and the seller proudly tells you, don't worry, the land has a certificate of occupancy. Then you breathe a sigh of relief because you've always been told that CFO is the best land title in Nigeria. But what if I told you there's one question many buyers never ask about that CFO, and not asking it could affect your investment in the future? Stay with me because today I'm going to explain what certificate of occupancy truly means, why it is important, and one detail you should never overlook before buying land in Nigeria. Hello, my name is Christiana from Nigerian Limited. On this channel, I simplify real estate so you can make informed property decisions and avoid costly mistakes. And if that is the kind of content you enjoy, please don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get into it. A few days ago, a client asked me a question that reminded me of how much misinformation exists about land ownership. He asked, once I buy a land with CFO, that means the land is mine forever, right? I smiled because many people genuinely believe that. But the answer is not as straightforward as yes. To understand why, we need to start with how land ownership works in Nigeria. Under the Land Use Act of 1978, all land of every state is vested in the governor of that state, who hold it in trust for the people. Now, don't misunderstand this. It doesn't mean you can own property or invest in land. It simply means the government regulates land ownership. When you buy land, what you're typically granted is a right of occupancy, the legal right to use and occupy that land under the law. This is why documentation is so important. Certificate of Occupancy, commonly known as CFO, is an official document issued by the state government. It confirms the legal rights to occupy and use a specific piece of land, and it is one of the strongest land titles in Nigeria. A genuine CFO can make you legally recognized, increase the value of your property, makes it easier to sell and transfer ownership, and also improve your chances of using your property as a collateral for financing. So yes, having a CFO is a very good thing, but here's what many people don't know. Most buyers only ask one question: does the land have a CFO? That is a very good question, but that shouldn't be the only question. You should also ask, when was this CFO issued? Here is why. A certificate of occupancy is generally granted for a fixed period up to 99 years, depending on the circumstances and the state. For example, if the CFO was issued 30 years ago, the remaining period may be significantly less than the original grant. So before buying any property, always verify the CFO is genuine, the identity of the registered owner, whether there are any government encumbrances or legal disputes, the survey plan, and most importantly, understand the tenure and the status of the right granted. You see, a proper due diligence process can save you from expensive mistakes. The lesson is simple. A certificate of occupancy is one of the best land titles you can have in Nigeria. Don't just stop at asking if this property has a CFO. Understand what that document represents. Ask questions, verify details, and never make any property decisions based on assumptions. If you find this video very helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more practical real estate advice that protects your investment. Share this video with someone who is planning to buy land. It could save them from making a costly mistake. And I would love to hear from you. Did you already know that CFO doesn't simply mean ownership forever? Let me know in the comments. And remember, in real estate, knowledge isn't just power, it is protection. I'm Christiana from Nigerian Limited. See you in the next video. Thank you.